major in college, but a lot of it has gone out, Chairman Broadus, out of my noggin. I knew a few of the answers, but there were a lot I didn't, and I'm very, very impressed that you all obviously really do know your stuff. You know your stuff so quickly and so well that you can anticipate the question, and it's very, very impressive to see your work. I'll just say very briefly a few words of thanks, adding to what Dan said earlier, thanking all the staff, the VCEE staff that helped make this Governor's Challenge possible. We've loved Governor's Office partnering with you on this. Thank you to the teachers. Great job, teachers. Wonderful, wonderful work. Thank you to the judges, to the VCEE board members, including Chairman Broadus, and I know there are a number of the other board members I think here as well for helping make this organization possible and providing it such good leadership. And thank you also to for the financial support from Capital One and Virginia Credit Union. And where's Chris? Where'd our quizmaster go? He's being shy. What a great quizmaster!